Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video about a new rally of Strax or Stratis, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's a bit of a weird crypto. I followed it for a while, actually, or I have known it for a while. It's actually an interesting project. They've actually created some real utility, but right now it's absolutely manipulated. It's just the truth. The volume is almost up to $500 million, which is crazy. And you can also see that right here that most of the volume is coming from Upbit. So it's another manipulation. Whether you believe that or not, it doesn't matter, all right? It doesn't matter whether it's a manipulation or not. We'll just do a full analysis, assuming that it is or that it isn't. It doesn't matter, all right? It could still, basically, if I say it's a manipulation, it just means it can go up or down. It's just difficult to predict. But we'll do our best in this video, all right? So that's what we will do. As you can see right now, Strax actually hit this top of the previous Fibonacci retracement. You can see it's the one right here of this previous bearish move. So that's a pretty significant level. It hit that on Binance. It hasn't hit that on most other exchanges. So that's still a major price target, I would say, for now. But we'll do a full update. So where to start? First of all, Strax has been bullish for some time now. The manipulation started on Friday the 6th of October right here. Then rallied up a lot. And since then, I've been following it. And yesterday, I thought, all right, I'll enter it if it breaks above this resistance level right here, between like 89 cents and 80 cents. So it broke above that. You can see that it did a nice bullish break retest. And I also entered. I'm long on Strax right now, so maybe I'm a little bit biased. I'll try not to be, but okay. So, can Strax actually rally up higher? The short answer is yes. If we take a look at the numbers right now, we'll start off with the funding rate. We'll see that the funding rate right now is still minus 1.14, which is quite high. All right, so that means that there's more incentive to buy or go long, and there's less incentive to short. That doesn't matter that much, but that does mean that there's a little bit more bullish pressure applied to Strax. So that's bullish. All right, that's the first factor that's bullish. Apart from that, I mean, obviously you're also here for a technical analysis. It just broke above this 0.786 Fibonacci, around $1 officially on the 4-hour time frame, which is a major bullish breakout. Broke above that, so that's also bullish. Now, and then we take a look at the open interest and the volume, and that's also still going up. So there's nothing bearish about Strax right now. And since the funding rate is this high, there's actually a potential that Strax will rally way higher. Now, I'm not saying it will, and I'm not like, I do expect it. Like, my most likely scenario is that it will get up to 1.25. And then from 1.25, depending on how much resistance it will find there, like if it barely finds any resistance, it will afterwards probably also get up to 1.4 and 1.45, which is the next resistance. So that's a possibility. I'm not saying that will happen, all right? I do expect that initial push to happen. I'm not saying Strax will go up all the way to 1.75 and $2. I'm just saying it has that potential. Like most of the cryptos that can do something like that always have those high funding rates, which Strax also has right now. And Strax from this bottom is only up about, is up about currently around 130%. That's a lot, but some of these manipulated cryptos rally 200, 300, 400%. So for now, I'm very bullish on Strax. Now, like I said, I might be biased because I'm in a long position on Strax. That's just the truth. Maybe I am, but all of the numbers, like the numbers don't lie. The high funding rate, the open interest and the volume still growing, the huge volume, that doesn't lie. So at some point of time, Strax will crash massively and it will happen quickly, all right? That's the truth. I already took some profits up here because I know that will happen. But the thing is that for now, it still looks very bullish. Just be careful, right? Keep an eye on the open interest. And if you're not an experienced trader, it's probably too late to trade Strax right now, especially now that it's trying to get some more bullish confirmation. But the main thing to watch is that open interest. If the open interest starts decreasing rapidly, it's probably going to crash. And at some point of time, that will happen. All right, so just know that. For now, this is my full analysis on Strax. And the main thing technically to watch is if Strax breaks down below like 95 cents now, it's probably over. All right, so that's the main thing to watch on that front, or at least then it will drop back down towards 80 and 85 cents. Temporarily. So that's, I think, all you need to know on Strax. If you want to be able to enter rallies like this with me together, I'll post all of my trades in my own premium group / signal group. People there also were able to enter Strax at the same point of time. So if that sounds interesting, if you want to make a profit, links will be down in the description. But for now, have a great Monday. Take care and bye.